Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can get back init section widget in the Elementor. So here you can see these are the containers that are after the Elementor update. So let's get back init section. Now we need to go in the dashboard, and after that, now here you can see in the Elementor settings, make sure that you have installed Elementor Pro. Scroll down, here you can see Elementor Pro is installed. Now let's go back into the Elementor settings. After that, here you can see features. Now scroll down and search for container. Here you can see Flexbox container. Then click here and make it inactive. So if you have designed any page with the container, then that content will be lost. So let's deactivate. Now here you can see that is inactive. Now let's refresh this page. So now here you can see inner section is back. So in this way you can easily remove container in the Elementor.